Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a Christmas wreath on Dress to Impress. This isn't my best look if I'm being honest, but you're just going to need to color yourself green. And then I am going to get these sleeves. I'm also going to color it the same. We're just essentially going to become a wreath at this point. Then you're going to need the fluffy jacket. Can't find it. Just color that green as well. Then I'm going to also use this. I'm going to use these pants too. I'm going to color out that green. Go to the pose pack so it's easier. Go to the ice skating pose and select tens. As you can see, you look like a round wreath. To add the ornaments, add this hat, color it green, and then for the second one, color it red with either the metallic or foil pattern. I'll just do the metallic one. You can also use any color you want, but I like the red one. I'm also using the shoes. Coloring this part red. I might change the shoes if I'm being honest. I think I might change it actually to the one from the advent calendar because it's a little bit better. Gonna color this one green. Might change it to just a matte. I think that's also the green one. Then color that red, and I'm also going to change it to the metallic color as well here. And the rest green, can't really see it anyway, so I'm just going to color it in green. And then I'm also going to use this other hat. This one, if I could just select it. You can also, again, change it to whatever color you want. Gonna color the bow like with glitter, and then the ornament again with like, oops, wrong color, with a metallic texture. This is already looking good, but if you want to add more like pizzazz to it, you can add like kind of like garlands actually. It's not the very best looking one, but you're just going to add this supernova set, and I'm going to toggle it to the third one. And I'm also going to add glitter. I think it already has glitter. And I'm also just going to color it red because it's simple. Again, you can color it to whatever color you want here. You can add the skirt if you'd like to. Doesn't really make much of a difference. I like the third one though. The third toggle. Oh, I forgot. You also want to use the, where is it, bow here, and then add glitter. Okay, it looks weird from the side, but people can only see this angle, so I'm just gonna walk past that. If you have VIP, you can use this one for like the garland going down, I guess. It's optional. And then, let's see, you can add more stuff to it. Like, which one did I add? I added one more thing. I think it was the skirt. This one. I did skirt only, and then made sure everything is red and glittery. I think I might make it matte on the second one, actually, second toggle. Does this add anything? No, don't add that. I'm just trying more stuff out. Also, ooh, we also forgot one thing. We need the bag from the advent calendar. I'm going to color the first one green, and then do the matte one, and then the second one green as well. Then the third one, you're going to color it red, just for that little extra ornament there, but you don't have to. And as you can see, you are now a Christmas wreath. You can obviously add more stuff to it. It's not the best. You can also add more colors. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!